Why design thinking? The ideology behind design thinking states that in order to come up with innovative solutions, one must adopt a designer's mindset and approach the problem from the user's perspective. At the same time, design thinking is all about getting ideas hands on. The aim is to turn your ideas into tangible, testable products or processes as quickly as possible. The design thinking process outlines a series of steps that bring this ideology to life, starting with building empathy for the user, right through to coming up with ideas and turning them into. Let's now talk about the various contexts of design thinking, as it is not an exclusive property of designers, but all great innovators in literature, art, music, science, engineering, and business have practiced it. Some of the world's leading brands, such as Apple, Google, Samsung, and GE, have rapidly adopted the design thinking approach, and design thinking is being taught at leading universities around the world, including D School, Stanford, Harvard, and MIT.